All right, guys. So today we are currently down one trade. I am looking for another potential trade. I'm gonna go over it real quick. Let's go on the 1 minute. You think this trade would hit right now? If we took this trade, stops to break even here. I just don't like how we don't have any form of SMT. That's one of the reasons why I didn't take this trade. The 5 minute here has a civvy still. NQ is still just looking really bearish. YM is looking really bullish. We're in a downtrend. I'd rather take shorts for today, but if the market does reverse here for the lunch, macro and all that, then I'm fine with that. But we don't really have much volume. The market is dying down. This was my original trade. I took it on the 5 minute IVG here. And then eventually once we started to face like half of the drawdown, I was like, all right, yeah, let's get the hell out of here. We have no confirmation on the lower time frame. This is just, we got FOMO basically. You know, we got here late and we got FOMO. Other account is still good. I did take, a little trade just to not get the inactivity rule. So just in case I forget later on. But yeah, I don't want to be emotional. I don't want to have those gambling tendencies. And again, I'm just not following my system, bro. That's one of the things. Like, if I did stick to this trade, we would be up right now, or we would be back to break even. And if I didn't take this trade, then we would have never caused any damage. So in my case, bro, like, follow your rules. This did not follow my rules. Why? Because we didn't have any form of SMT. There was no form of lower time frame SMT here to give me that confirmation to go long. I just simply entered based off of what I see here on is this in full screen? No, it wasn't. I just basically entered here off of what I saw on the 4 hour we had candle range low sweep. We saw sell side, we had a 4 hour BSC and then a 1 hour time from candle range low sweep. 30-minute time frame, same thing with the 1 hour, 15-minute time for 15-minute CRT, 5-minute inversion for rally up, and then on the 1 minute, there was really nothing here for me to go and take those longs. We do also have these relative equal highs up here. It looks clean, clear. Market is probably going to reach for those. And I want to take longs. I want to risk more. I want to take longs. Let's do it. Max violation of margin. See, I can't even max violate this. Look at the fill. This is what I mean, bro. They're going to try to get me out of this trade soon. The market makers don't like me. YOLO, I still think this is a good trade. I think we're going to meet those highs. Just aim for it. Give this trade time. I want to see this high hold here right there to continue pushing us up. I'm going to have to watch out for, this right here, this SMTs. On the 1 minute, the market is retracing, which is perfectly normal. I want to see it hold though. I want to see it hold, push up higher, kind of what we're getting now. Especially from ES. ES needs to hold. If not, then we're kind of cooked on this trade and the account's probably going to be cooked. But if NQ starts to push up, ES starts to follow up, YM is like leading the way, we're all just following like what we are doing now, it's a good trade. But if not, we're cooked. Like NQ's doing right now, we're kind of cooked. I know what I'm doing wrong too, bro. Like, why am I being so emotional? Fuck. Dude. And this shit fucking pisses me off too, because I know this is a fucking bad trade and I risked so much. And now the account's about to be cooked, dude. Fucking God, bro. Like, guys, I know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I even said I don't have any SMT. I don't have this and that. Like, why am I still taking this trade? Like, why did I enter? Why did I, what did my brain fucking snap to make me take, it just, pisses me off, bro. Like, it really makes me fucking angry. Oh, my God, dude. And now if this trade loses, bro, I know why I fucking lost. And I even told myself, would I be satisfied taking a loss? No. Like, this is not a good loss. This is an emotional gamble. And I know it. Oh, my God, dude. Like, it has no clear logical, I even said it, we're in a downtrend. This doesn't look good for longs, bro. I'm over here still taking longs. I have FOMO for missing the move today when in reality, bro, you have to know how to, sit on your hands and wait, bro. That's the hardest part of this shit right here. It's just waiting. Like, even if I win this trade, bro, I don't give a fuck. God, bro. I don't give a fuck. Matter of fact, I'm probably gonna lose this shit. I'm not even gonna lie. It's damn near like we're cooked. I don't like thinking the worst possible scenario, but it's just like, bro. Out of 9 times out of 10 cases, what I've seen here from these type of trades, you lose, bro. Especially if I don't. That's why I have a system. Think about it. That's why you have a system. Think about it. That's why you have a system, bro. So you prevent things like this from happening. Think about it, bro. It's that simple. Oh my God, bro. Just let me lose already, bro. I want to lose. I actually genuinely want to lose. So I won't crash out no more. Like, I've already crashed out. Like, at this point, I already accepted the loss because I know it's going to lose because it's not following the system. And I'm just hoping. I'm hoping that I can potentially win this trade. I'm hoping that my idea, my decision making was correct. When in reality, the probabilistic thing is not correct, bro, because I don't have the things that I need to see. So in reality, I'm not following the probabilistic side of what I should be doing in order to win. And that's why I'm losing. And I know I'm losing because of that. And it makes sense. Just stop me out already, bro, please. I don't want to crash out no more, bro, please. Let me blow this account, bro. Let me get it out the way already. Just let me lose already, bro. I'm tired of this shit. God, bro. And it pisses me off, too, because I know what I'm doing wrong. But why do I continue doing these things, bro? Like, it genuinely makes no fucking sense. Like, if you know you shouldn't be eating this type of food because it makes you feel this type of way, why do you continue eating that fucking food? Because it tastes good. You know, it's the same thing with trading. Why are you taking these type of trades if you know you're going to lose? Because it feels good. Only because it feels a certain way doesn't mean you react that way. Or you let that reaction get the best of you, bro. Like, you have to, like, you have to make a switch in your brain and turn off that feeling. Turn off the emotional side, bro. And that's where it's so hard. So hard on an express. But I know I'm going to overcome it. And I know I'm going to become a better trader. And I'm just going to grow, bro. And it's just like one of those moments where, like, oh my God, bro. Like, oh shit. I would move my stops to break even. But at this point, bro, I got to accept the loss. Because even then, it's not even worth it. We met my draw. I'll take a $200 loss day out of everything. But I'm still crashing out, bro, because, like, I know what I'm doing wrong, but I continue doing the wrong things. Like, why? Like, what is wrong with me, bro? Deadass. Matter of fact, we're going to close this trade as soon as we hit our realized PNL for the loss. Just so we could walk away at break even. Because, again, we're not following the system. None of these trades should have been taken. We should be at 0. God, bro. And it makes me angry. Really makes me upset, guys. I won't lie. Mark this straight out. Just so when I journal, it's not as difficult. Like that. Like that. Just keep me out of break even, bro. I'll be fine with that. I'm just being way too emotional here on a day like today, bro. Yeah, give me that. I risked way too much too. I was trying to risk max leverage, bro. What is wrong with me? That's, I need to get out. And I'm overthinking. I'm overstimulating myself for no reason, bro. I'm overstimulating myself for no reason. When in reality, all I have to do is just follow my system, follow my rules, take good trades. I have the playbook. I know you guys saw it. Have the playbook. Review those trades. Think to myself, okay, when I'm in the live market conditions, do one of these type of setups look like my A plus setup playbook, like one of the setups there? If so, taking that setup. And that's it, bro. That's it. I'm done for today. I'm dead ass gonna go to the gym, work out, or I might just meditate, go to the gym, and call it a day there because I'm fucking angry. I need to go relieve some stress or some shit with a good pump. But that's really it, bro. That's it for today's video. Minus $200. Again, just bullshitting around, being emotional, bro. And I hate this shit. Like, I don't know what it's gonna have to take. I think it's gonna have to. I don't know what the fuck it's gonna have to take, bro, just for me to change, like this thought process in the back of my mind when I'm live trading on an Express account. I don't know, like I don't know what the fuck got the hold of me whenever I'm in an Express. Like I'm having the unprofitable tendencies that I used to have. Like we flipped the switch, we were profitable. Now we're going back and we're reverting. I don't know what the fuck is going on, dude, and it makes me angry. But yeah, that's pretty much really it. I'm done. I have to get out.